Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. Pakinggan natin yung mensahe mga kababayan ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa okasyon ng Idil Fitr. And spot the difference sa mensahe ni Sara Duterte. Alin yung sincero? Sino yung sincero? Sino yung plastic? Ito yung ating Pangulo.
I extend my warmest greetings to all our Muslim Filipino brothers and sisters here at home and across the world in the solemn celebration of Eid al-Fitr. For the past few weeks, Muslims around the globe observed a sacred period of prayer, fasting, reflection, and generosity. Through this devotion, the faithful affirm their beliefs, demonstrate genuine compassion for one another, and express humility before the Almighty. Eid al-Fitr marks the joyful culmination of this spiritual journey. Families and communities gather in thoughts and thanksgiving for the blessings of gratitude, fellowship, and peace. This occasion is important to all of us, as the virtues cultivated during Ramadan are the same virtues that will guide our nation towards deeper solidarity and a more hopeful future. So as we observe this day, let us renew our shared commitment to upholding harmony and nurturing a bagong Pilipinas built on lasting peace, discipline, mutual respect, and genuine understanding. Eid Mubarak, mabuhay ang sambayanang Pilipino, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Ayan ang ating Pangulo. Ito naman po si Sara Duterte.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw maya adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. I join the entire Muslim Ummah, especially our brothers and sisters across the Philippines, and those living and working in the Middle East and all corners of the globe in celebrating the blessed occasion of Eid al-Fitr. As you mark the end of the holy month of Ramadan, we celebrate a journey defined by prayer, sacrifice, and deep spiritual reflection. The discipline and devotion you have shown throughout your fast are testaments to the strength of your faith and your commitment to the values of compassion and charity. To my fellow Filipinos, your resilience and hard work continue to be a source of pride for our nation. May the spirit of Eid bring you comfort and remind you that your contributions to your families and our country are deeply valued. As we celebrate this time of joy and thanksgiving, we also offer a fervent prayer for peace across the world. May the lessons of Ramadan inspire us to work together toward a global community that is inclusive, safe, and anchored in the pursuit of the common good. May your homes be filled with peace, and may your hearts be filled with the light of Allah's blessings. Eid Mubarak! Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas para sa Diyos sa bayan at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Shukran.
Aber, sino yung sincero at sino yung plastic at bakit? Post your comments mga kababayan.